Welcome back as we continue our spotlight onto Celtic Connections 2024. I'm Camilla Hellman, and I'm glad you're joining us again as we continue to spotlight the wonderful acts that are taking part in Celtic Connections this year. We are looking once again at some of the artists who we know well in New York who are part of the Scots Trad Awards, awarded in December, and are now taking part in Celtic Connections this year. And so let's join Joy Dunlap, who were nominated for the Gaelic Singer of the Year Award at the Scots Trad Awards in December and has been taking part in Celtic Connections. But more importantly to us here in New York, she's going to be returning in April as part of the New York Tartan Week. Joy is helping the New York Tartan Day Parade Committee, of which ASF is a member, to put together the second annual MOD. And if you want to know more about how to be a part of the New York Tartan Week MOD, go to NYC Tartan Week to learn more and to register. But first, let's join Joy. And now, next up is Skerryvore, who were nominated for Best Album of the Year at the Scots Trad Awards.
Red Sharpie socks and blue jeans on, the sun's beating through on his face. He don't like it hot, but that's alright, cause he's living outside the rat race. Lying on his bed with a fresh warm breeze, blows a smile across his face. No time for rushing, he's at a slow kicking pace. He'll be ready when the running's done. That's alright, hey. He's got a thirst for doing nothing. Picks up his guitar, he likes a nice warm noise. He'll be ready when the running's done. He needs a haircut, he needs a shave. He'll let a few more days pass by. Yes, he's having fun, I think he won, cause he's living outside the rat race. That's alright, hey, because he's a man who loves a simple life. That's alright. Something done. Why do it today when tomorrow's okay? He'll be ready when the running's done. That's alright, hey, because he's a man who loves a simple life. That's alright, hey, because he's a man who loves a simple life. That's alright. Thank you very much.
And lastly, let's join Talisk, who've been playing at the Celtic Connections and all over Scotland recently, but they're going to be in New York at the Drum on March the 1st. And so a great concert up and coming to us, and we're going to keep up to date on all they've got going on. And so, Talisk. thank you for joining us this week. It's been great to see you. Celtic Connections is such a fantastic festival of music going on in Glasgow every January into the beginning of February. It's well worth putting into your calendar and trying to be over there, because if you love music and you love being around Scottish music in particular, this is a great time. Artists come in from all over the world to celebrate their Celtic connections. And so until next time.